In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste pictures from Google to PowerPoint. Whether you're crafting a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, adding images can enhance both the appearance and effectiveness of your slides. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll want to have your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation open and ready. If you're starting fresh, just launch PowerPoint and either open an existing presentation or create a new one, whatever suits your needs. Ensure that you're prepared to paste an image onto a specific slide by navigating to that slide ahead of time. Next, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any one of your choice. In your browser, head over to Google's website. In the search bar, type in the name of the image you're hoping to find. This could be anything related to your presentation topic. Once your results appear, click on Images to filter the search results to show only pictures. This is a handy way to browse through many options without getting distracted by other types of content. Now, for the exciting part. Once you spot an image you think will fit perfectly within your presentation, simply right-click on that image. Depending on the browser you're using, the wording of the next option might vary a bit, but look for something similar to copy image. Go ahead and select that option. This action essentially saves the image to your clipboard, making it ready to paste into PowerPoint. With the image copy to navigate back to your PowerPoint slide, make sure the slide where you want the image to appear is visible. Then to paste the image, all you need to do is press a simple keyboard shortcut. If you're using a Windows computer, press Ctrl and V together. On a Mac, use Command and V. And just like that, the image should land right where your cursor is positioned on the slide. Now that the image is on your slide, you can easily move it around by clicking and dragging it to your desired position. To resize, click on any of the corners of the image and drag to decrease or increase its size, maintaining its aspect ratio by holding down the Shift key as you do so. This ensures your image doesn't look stretched or skewed. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've seamlessly learned how to bring images from Google directly into your PowerPoint slides. This technique is not only easy, but also speeds up the process of creating visually engaging presentations. Remember, the use of appropriate images can make your presentation more memorable and engaging for your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.